Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, folks, look at this pile of... I have to do videos on everything here. The most important one that I want to do today is for my giveaway. I made it to 500 because of you folks. And I am just blown away. I have gifts here, I have trades, I have purchases, so many things. But right now I'm gonna do a little drive and go out and show you why I can't get to my pouring bench. So we'll see you out as close as I can get. See you in a while, folks. I gotta get this stuff cleaned up. Woohoo! Check them out. New tires too. Front and back. Ain't life grand? Little bird dropped that on my hood the other day. It's quite nice, quite lovely. And hi, Sophie. How are you? Going for a ride in a truck? Huh? Well, guys, we are going out to see why I can't get to my pouring area and to my bench, and I will show you what is coming for my 500 sub giveaway. Haha! More gridlock, folks. Don't you wish? This is my life, and I love it. Seems so we have more gridlock in my world. Let's see if we can kill a few bugs on the way out. I got had something nice to show you here in a bit. Okay, folks, this is Highway 16 and east out of Vanderhoof. I'm heading over towards the base of that mountain over there. It's called Sinkut, and it is an old volcano. Got Sirius on, got Sophie by my side, and I'm going right over between those two peaks. See you when I get there. Well, who's this? Huh? Who's this? Hey, farm dog. And no, you two just behave yourself. Okay. So why I brought you out here today was to show you this kind of problem we have here right now. The creek has busted the culvert. We just have to be patient for the water from, there's a big bowl up and behind here. So we're trying to save the road. Well, there you go, folks. I'm home in my place that I spend far too much time, which is in my chair. But what we're doing right now are the rules for my giveaway. So there it is. 2 ounces, 3 nines, fine silver. I call it a molly bar. And I will stamp it to your liking, or if you prefer a smooth one, I can certainly make a smooth one. So here's the deal. You must like, comment, and subscribe on this video. As of the airing of this video, no more subs will be allowed until my next giveaway, which I hope isn't too very far away. And we're going to check on everybody to make sure you're straight up, because everybody needs to be straight up. There's been an awful lot of nonsense going on within the community about people subbing just for a chance at a giveaway. So we don't want any of that nonsense. I want to take care of you that have taken care of me so well. So this beautiful little ripple will be yours, with a nice little chunk poured with my love. So there you go, folks. I love y'all. Take care, and congrats to whoever comes up with this. CSS is going to help me out with this, because I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, but he seems to know how to drive the bus, so we're going to both be active with this one. You take care, and I love you all. Bye now.